What is up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX, and today's video is going to be something different. We're actually going to be fishing today. Hey, what? How you doing, man? First time on the vlog?
I can't see you.
Oh wait, no, second time on the vlog.
Second time. Hey,
This guy.
Hey, when's my car gonna be good?
What?
I just got my car, bro.
I know. Soon.
They just throw your rod, bro. Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Stop.
Is that really yo?
Is that really up?
Oh my god, is that really yo? What's up? Oh hell no, fuck you.
Hey, I'm gonna ride with you so I can sleep.
Hey, what?
I'm gonna ride with you so I can sleep.
I thought you were driving.
Bruh, I haven't gotten any sleep. I stayed up all night.
What's up, gay boy? What we doing today, boys?
We're gonna go fishing. Oh, I'm reeling in a big one. Come in.
Oh my god. But we're going to be taking a break from cars and all of that. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Just us and the boys. Not all the boys, but most of them. But yeah, it should be a cool vlog. We should be back into our regular vlogs pretty soon on our cars and stuff. But if you guys want videos like this of us fishing and stuff, let me know in the comment section down below, and like the video if you guys like this. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we're on the road.
Thinking about you lately, I know we could have it, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. And he said that we belong together now. I'll sing a song to break the ice, just a smile from you will suffice. I want you for myself. Baby, you could save me from this crazy world we live in. She's my sunshine in the rain. That's how I know when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Yeah. Sometimes I thought is that Filipino telling us? You fucking long ass motherfucker. I never thought that I'd believe your side. Hit that shit. Get my hand. Only physically. Hey, that nigga do it back here. Come on. 24 hours. Okay. No matter where you go, I won't be very far. 'Cause in my head I'll be right there where you are. There's no distance between. You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. I gotta play Heartbreak Anniversary. I know about that one, man.
I crossed over the divider going back home.
You might have it.
Hey, don't get him on. Don't get him on.
Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever.
That's it? Just two? Yeah, just two.
Wow, look at these guys, man.
I don't even got a line, but you know what I'm saying?
Damn, we're at the spot.
Why you do that?
Do your thing, Jackie. Y'all know the vibes, you know what I'm saying? We out here fishing.
You know the vibe.
You know the vibe.
Man,
First catch of the day, you know what I'm saying? Sheesh.
First catch of the day, no sin.
Yeah, sexy, yeah.
Hey, do it. When I see you.
And that beautiful cock, I just wanna suck it all the time. Hey, yo. You know, we out here, you know what I'm saying? We out here.
The second catch of the day. Wow. Oh, very nice.
That's a big guy, huh?
Oh, very big guy, man.
Compared to my face?
Dude, that's hella big. That's like 15 pounder, bro.
Look at that belly.
Oh, wow. God damn. Now throw that bitch in there. Nice.
Dude, you slash splash on big as hell.
I didn't get the rest of them, but
Let me grab it.
Dylan finally got one. Ooh. Sheesh.
Yeah, long arm it.
Wow. I'll throw it. Throw that oh, damn. Damn. GG's. There you go. Biggest one of the day.
10 pounder, 10 pounder.
God damn, bro. That motherfucker big. He caught one now.
Jackie started breathing too hard. Fuck.
He's so fuck. All of us over here are Team No Skunk. But this guy over here, Team Skunk. You gotta switch teams, man.
Jackie, you gotta give him that good luck head, bro.
Come on.
No, you. Hey, you know this video is about to be hella fucked, right? Because of this wind. Hella wind noise. Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, right here, bro.
Oh, fuck, bro. Shit, he falling down the hill. Billy, get him. Billy, get him. 2 hours later. Finally caught a fish.
Team No Skunk, bitch.
This guy.
Let's fucking go, bro. I wanna fucking leave, bro. Fuck. Took fucking long enough.
Look at that, bitch.
Team No Skunk, bro.
Team No Skunk, motherfucker. Bitch.
Team No Skunk.
Damn, bitch.
Come on, man. Oh yeah, here's a release, guys.
Okay, then you can let it go.
Alright, kiss the fish. Oh, you didn't kiss the fish.
Oh, fuck that.
Alright, so we're moving spots. Continue walking. Pretty nice day today. Aaron finally caught one. He switched teams. He used to be Team Skunk, but now he switched teams to Team No Skunk.
Nothing like Korean barbecue after a long day of fishing, right? Sheesh. Wow. How's it taste, bro? Korean barbecue. First time?
Broccoli with some corn sauce, you know what I'm saying?
Wow.
I'm very good at this.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, does that remind you of your ex?
Hey, Gabe, do me the honors of doing a cinematic, man. Ready? Oh. Alright guys, we're all at Dutch right now. This is the hot spot.
Vibes, you know what I'm saying? You know the vibes. We up in this school.
I'm starting off the vlog.
I already did start it off.
I'm good, fuck. I'll start it off again. What's up, it's AronRSX, and today we came together to fucking have an eco bro show. Yay!
Right here's my new car. Since I crashed my TSX, my new car.
Yeah, this water's busting, bro.
Bustin'.
Hey, what the fuck? That's my fucking water.
Okay.
That's my water.
I don't know how to take this shit off, bro.
Oh. You fucked it up, man. You fucked it up, that initiation show. What are you doing, man?
Oh, I got a new Superman.
Wow. Hey, does this look familiar to you guys? Wow, Sergio. Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
Hey, put that shit out,
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Bro, he don't want to smack my ass, bro. What the
Who?
fuck?
Who? Come on,
Dylan.
do it for the vlog, bro.
Bend over there. Come on.
Hey,
Bend over my car.
hey, he said take off the spiders. I'm not scared because, you know, I'm Filipino. We play with those. I didn't even go lie, bro. We fight those.
You guys put them on your balls.
Where the fuck is your brother at, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Damn, he's just like the skit, bro.
Bro, did you see that?
What?
Hell of them, bro. Look. Why are you scared of fucking spiders?
He's on his knees, bro.
Why am I doing this?
Yo,
Hey.
take it off.
Oh.
Take it off.
Hey, what up?
Me.
Dude, look at how this dude's on his knees.
Actually, you gotta redo that.
Shut the fuck. Let's see what you got in here, man. Sheesh. What the hell, bro?
Hey, we got carbon. Peep the carbon. There's carbon in there.
What the fuck? That's crazy, bro.
Look at the detail in this building.
Everyone, that's fake carbon.
Is it in the middle?
Bro, get spider off
Hey, should I
someone
pull
get
out the
behind me.
square?
Is it in the middle? Is it in the middle?
Hey, scoot it to the left a
More
little.
to the left.
Oh, shit.
There's game.
Oh, shit.
Yes, sir.
Fuck, there's no more parking spots.
You can park in front of us.
Come on, man. Where my banner at?
Hey, where's my banner at?
Let's jump this fool.
One to the left. Oh. Okay, that's good. No more. Okay, that's good. More, tiny bit more.
Wait, I feel like Christian's up more.
That good?
Oh, he already put it on there, bro. He already put it
I
on
already put it on there.
there. Oh my god.
Where's the car? Anybody got a car?
That shit look.
It don't look good?
It look more to the right.
Don't get my
More
numbers.
to the right. It can't come off.
Come on.
Where you at, Jackie? Damn, he missing out.
Jackie really
cheeks
missing out,
right
bro.
now. This Jackie. Yeah.
Damn.
Hey, bro. You're
Fuck
coming.
it, bro.
You gotta come
You already
in.
fucked up.
You stupid.
Full send.
Hey, no one's gonna come with a ruler, though.
Hey, that's why you don't trust Aaron, bro.
You fucking whore.
I just told you to put up more. What the fuck?
Hey,
honk your shit.
Christian, honk that shit.
Why is it so fucking
Hold on, Christian. I'm on your car. They're talking shit in car language, bro.
Hey,
Yo,
check it
man.
out, though. Shit.
What the fuck is that, bro? Get the fuck out of here, bro. What the fuck? I didn't even notice that shit. Fuck you.
That's
Nice.
kind of clean, bro. Whoever put it on, pretty good.
Hey, why is it
hella
tilted
crooked
upwards,
as
though?
shit. Hella crooked.
Tilted upwards, man.
It's like this, huh?
It's not, bro. Y'all looking at the wrong angle.
Oh yeah?
Right.
Yeah, you gotta be like 10 feet above
Yeah,
that.
all the way down that Mustang right there.
You're looking at the wrong angle, bro.
Bro, you ripped it.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
Yeah, really?
You leave it like that. You fucking.
You asshole, bro. I could have fixed this.
You ripped it.
What is going on, man?
I don't know, man.
You see the truck?
Alright, it's the middle, right? Alright, ready?
Ah, shit, you gotta show the vlog. Hey, pretty even in me, huh?
Kinda nice, man.
See?
Oh, wait, angle it. Oh, wow. Wow.
What I
Nice.
say?
What a
What I
nice.
say, man? What I
Nice.
say? This guy know. This guy know. Watch, look, come on this side.
Oh, this
Come on
side, this side, this side.
You stay here. No, you come on. Like this. No. Come on, bro. What you know about that?
Hold on, listen. Hear me out. Instead of a Dread shirt, what about a Ecos, bro?
Yeah.
shirt? Yes, sir.
Hey, come in soon. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Hey, you want me to tell you something about that guy right there?
What's up?
His Mustang is automatic. He don't know what he's doing.
You wanna see though? Wow, he's in park right now, bro. Wow, he's in park.
All it for you is just a little boot cover.
You're right. Start the cinematic. Ready? This is the real way to do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh fuck, you missed.
No.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
I was about to say, what the fuck is that noise? So what if I like dick in my ass? What the fuck?
Nice. Get a Mustang.
What? What the hell?
Is that really you? Oh my god, is that really you?
Hey, I like your TSX.
What? Thank you. Bro. Oh my god.
Is that RSX? Oh my god.
Fucking Mercedes, you fucking. Turbo spooling and everything, bro.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, comment down below what y'all think. If you guys want more videos of the boys, let me know. And more videos coming soon. Thank you guys for 750 subscribers. 1K coming soon. And yeah, these are the Economy Brothers.
Oh shit.
And we'll see you in the next one. AronRSX signing out. Peace.
Oh, fuck that shit.